You will need some limescale remover, or alternatively you can use white vinegar. You may wish to use gloves and eye protection. You may need to descale your shower head if you find that the water is not coming out as it should. To do this, firstly you should detach the shower head from the hose, usually by unscrewing it. When you do this, be sure to keep any washers or plastic rings safe. Now you can begin the descaling process. There are two ways that you can do this. For the first, mix the limescale remover or vinegar with warm water in a bucket. Place the shower head in the bucket and leave to soak, preferably overnight. The second way to do this would be to place the shower head in an appropriately sized sandwich bag with the water and limescale remover and secure with an elastic band. Again, leave this to soak overnight if possible. Once you have done this, you can screw your shower head back onto the hose. Remember to refit any washers that were removed earlier. Turn on your shower to test.